Okay, question number 3. So if you did not get the answer right, then watch the video, see what you did wrong so that you don't make that mistake again. Okay, so we have the heights of 6 students, and we have to find the mean absolute deviation. Okay, 3 words, 3 steps. You're going to find the mean. You're going to find the difference between the mean and each of the data pieces. That's the deviation part. So it means how much do they differ. And then you're going to find the mean again, and it's absolute because we're looking at the absolute value, just the distance. Okay, so first step, find the mean. So to find the mean, we find the average. So we're going to add all of our numbers together. And you can grab a calculator for this, which I think I will do. Although, I don't know, 7 and 3 is 10, and then 8 and 8 is 16, so it's 26, so it's 29. And then I have 1, 2, 3 6s, that's 18, 19, 20 with the 2, 20, 34, 39, I think, but let me just double check. 63 plus 70 plus 68 plus 73 plus 58 plus 67. Yes, it's 399. Oops, that's not a 3. That's a 3. Okay, so 399. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 6, because that's how many numbers we have. Divide by 6. See, 6 goes into 39 6 times, which gives us 36. 39 6 times, which gives us 36. So 66.5. And look, there it is again. But that's not what they asked us. If they only wanted to know the mean, they would have just asked us for the mean. They wouldn't add this absolute deviation on the end of it. Okay, and so then I'm pretty sure that that's also going to be wrong, because that's really close to that one. Okay, so that was step 1, which I probably should have wrote down. 1, find the mean. There, we did that. Step 2 is find the difference. So we're going to subtract difference, the mean from each of our data points. Now I'm going to round that to 67 just to make it a little bit easier to subtract. Okay, so I'm going to do 67 minus 63. And then 70 or 67, I'll do it that way. It doesn't really matter because you just want the positive number anyway. So 67 minus 70, which I know is negative 3, but we're just going to call it 3 because we need the absolute value, the distance. 67 minus 68, again, I know that's negative 1, but we're just going to call it 1. And then 67, minus 73 is 6. Yep. And then 67 minus 58, which is 9. And then 67 minus 67, which is 0. Okay, so that's step 2. And then step 3, we are going to find the mean again. Oh, sorry. 3, find the mean again of these numbers now. So, it's my first number 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 0. And again, I need to divide that by 6. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 8. 8 and 6 is 14, and 14 and 9 is 23. And let me just add those on the calculator just to make sure. Plus 9, yes, 23. So that gives me 23 divided by 6, which is, oh, I erased. I didn't mean to do that. 3.833333. So let's go back to my answer choices. Well, what happened here? Oh, 3.8. They rounded it. Huh, didn't think they'd do that. Okay, so 3.8. 8 is greater than 5, so that would be about 4. Okay, so they rounded it, or, as I found with the other, this is a star release question. With the other star question, They did, I think, they did not round that 66.5 to 67. Okay, but I always do, it doesn't make that big of a difference. You see how far apart those numbers are? So that's okay, just round your answer in the end.